Hi, yet another dumpster dive. HP small form factor PC, Intel Core i7, but I think it may be an older Gen 1 because I don't see any USB 3 on the front, and I don't see any USB 3 on the back. It does have DVI, of course, so obviously using the integrated graphics for that because there's no external graphics card. Serial port, which kind of dates it a bit, but makes it handy for a lab PC. Nothing beats having a nice, good old D9 serial port on there. Anyway, let's have a look at this. Oh, by the way, here we go. Just an update on this HP ProDesk one I found, which did have the USB 3. I've now upgraded that with a GTX 1050 passive video card. So it's got the new Pascal chipset, I think it is. So that's actually really quite a beast of a machine there now. That's the Intel Core i5 job. So I'm actually going to make this the new lab PC. So yeah, that works a treat. But anyway, let's have a look at this one. This one actually didn't have any memory in it, which is quite unusual these days. Most of the machines I find do actually still have the memory populated, but someone's obviously salvaged that. Just the one PCI 16 slot, a couple of regular PCI slots, so that kind of dates it a bit. But yeah, I'm not sure what type of Intel Core i5. I haven't looked up the model number. For those playing along at home, what is it? A HP Pro, no, it's not a ProDesk, it's just a Pro 4300. So probably, I don't know, I haven't looked it up, I'm just winging it. Most likely an older Gen Core, like maybe a Gen 2 or Gen 3 Core i7 processor, sorry. Anyway, no hard drive installed. It looks like they've took that out, so yep. Oh well, let's whack in some RAM and see if she boots up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beeps. Is that memory? BIOS is doing something. Alright, so I suspect it didn't like this newfangled modern Kingston 8 gig one. Anyway, yeah, I couldn't be bothered reading, so I've whacked in another one. I think it's just a single 4 gig stick. And let's power this one up. It does seem to power up as soon as I plug in the mains. So, I'm not sure what the deal is there. So, hang on. No. Maybe I'll press the button. There we go. Hey. Floppies, the floppy. CD drive seeking. But, hang on. Is it doing something? Zippity-doo-dah on the monitor. Whoa, we got one. I just reset the BIOS. I just took out the battery, shorted it out, and Bob's your uncle. Hey, i7 3770S at 3.1 gig. Oh, what's that pass mark? I just checked, and that has a pass mark of 8,885. Wow. That's like probably the fastest machine I found. I think it's slightly faster. I think it was like 8,300 or something. Was the one I just showed you before. Was that much more modern i5 one. So wow, this is very impressive. Let's boot this puppy. Can we get into our BIOS anyway? No boot working. Blah blah blah. How can we get in? Come on, you can do it. Give it the 3-finger salute. Come on. What a Bobby Dazzler. Ha ha. 3770. Tossed out. Beautiful. How do I get in the bloody BIOS? Has it got some special BIOS? HP BIOS thing? Probably. I think one of the previous ones did. Oh, God. Anyway, that'll boot. If I whack a hard drive in that, I reckon that'll boot Windows. You bet your ass it works. Check it out. There we go. That's compared to benchmark compared to a i5 7600K at 3.8 gig. You know, it's still quite a reasonable machine, but maybe you can hear one of the problems. It's really whirring. the fan, it's the power supply fan that's just gone like full on, and I'm not doing anything. I'm not stressing the CPU or anything, so maybe there's some issue there, but geez, this is still quite a capable machine. There it is. It's a 65 watt TDP, the Ivy Bridge one, the 1155 socket, and it works at 377 OS at 3.1 gig. No worries. That's another winner chicken dinner. Of course, you've got to run some stress tests on it. Got to figure out what the hell's going on. I mean, that fan's just gone burko. So maybe there's some thermal setting or something that's out, perhaps. But anyway, that is a decent find. That's worth a couple of $100 on eBay straight off the bat. Somebody just tossed it out. A perfectly capable machine. Another classic corporate business park dumpster find. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I know it's probably better. Now, a lot of people complain that's the stuff I find in the dumpster is better than the machine that they're using. Like, you know, probably a fifth of my audience or something. It's crazy what people throw out. Anyway, there you go. Maybe they threw it out because they had a noisy fan. I don't know. But that works a treat. Catch you next time.